buong mundo. Naitay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ang inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy. And welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa Facebook at YouTube, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZBB, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, welcome to your program. Happy birthday, Abby Manaloto of GMA Legal Affairs Department. Maraming salamat. Happy Monday. Napakaraming tao dito sa studio. Dahil po sa ating mga special guests ngayong hapon. Sila po'y galing sa magkabilang networks, but they're bound by a wonderful, beautiful, strong friendship. And they're talking about a singles pact that I'm interested to find out kung ano ang ibig sabihin. Naitay, kapuso, please welcome Mikey Quintos, Heaven Peralejo!
Sino?
I'm good. Kumusta?
Good!
Masaya.
Sobra. Kinakabahan.
Bakit naman kinakabahan?
Kasi syempre last time I was here medyo. Okay!
Ay, kakaiba yun. Kakaibang pag-uusap yun. No, but it's different, di ba? What I realize now, kahit tayo, I mean, we had a lot of conversations, di ba? Parang lahat talaga dumadaan. Everything passes. That's the lesson. You know, I was looking at you from afar. Sabi ko, hindi. Wala talagang permanenteng pain. I mean, sometimes it stays, no? Pero, and I'm happy. I'm just really happy. Paano kayo naging magkaibigan?
Sa POV ko, sa POV ni Mike.
Sige nga. I want to hear both. I want to hear both POVs.
Okay, sa POV ko muna. Gusto mo? May one time, ginagawa ko po yung, may event ako Santa Cruzan. Parang Elena at ako, ganyan. Umiiyak ako habang mini-makeupan ako ng makeup artist ko. Tapos sabi niya, huwag ka munang umiyak, halika na pumunta tayong Siargao. Sabi ko, paano yun? Sabi niya, hindi, huwag ka mag-alala, kasama natin si Mikey. Doon tayo mag-heal. Sabi ko, talaga ba? Sige, book mo na nga. Dahil lang doon.
Yun yung POV
Yun
niya.
But
POV
you had
ko.
an idea as to who Mikey was. Friends na kayo.
Ito, Tito Boy.
Okay.
Ito na yung POV ko.
Okay.
Cause same high school kami nagpunta ni Heaven. So I knew her like since high school. 2 batches lower siya sa akin. Nakakasalubong ko siya. May funny kwento pa yan kasi student council ako. Tapos, kinukwento niya sa akin nung Hawaii, hinuhuli ko daw siya sa uniform niya.
Huli niya ako sa uniform ko, hindi niya ako...
Dahil
hindi niya naalala.
iniiklian mo ang uniform
Hindi
mo.
kasi sobra naman pong
Mababa,
baba.
Tito Boy. Pumaporma na. Diba yung
Pumaporma
uniform,
ako.
pumaporma yung babaeng niya.
Tapos sabi niya, where's your navel?
Sabi ko.
Sa sobrang kaba ko.
Kasi dapat yung hips, yung kung saan yung
Yes.
strap ng uniform, sa pusod, kung saan yung navel.
Right.
So, where's your navel? Kasi ang baba nung kanya. Sabi niya sa akin,
So sobrang takot ko, wala akong navel.
ano yung navel? Dito. Kaya di niya makalimutan. So I don't remember that. Like,
You don't.
Naalala ko lang na si Heaven na magandang lower batch ko. Tapos I remember her kasi nagsa-stand out naman siya na nun.
Right,
Tapos, nagkataon, after a few years, we worked in the same industry. Pero,
Right.
yun nga, magkaiba kami ng network. So, never kami nagka-chance to work together. But I was watching her from afar until
That Siargao happened.
that Siargao happened.
Right.
It just so happens we have the same makeup artist.
Which is si
Ganda.
Marvin. Nandyan si Marvin.
Nandyan siya. So, dun
Thank
kami.
you. Di ba?
Connect niya kami.
Ang galing naman ng kwento. Pero may POV ka talaga at may POV dito.
Yes, ang galing no.
Hindi agad yun, Tito Boy. Siyempre, nag-vibe check kami.
Bago
Vibe
kami
check.
mag-Siargao, although
How do
nabili
you
na
call
yung
that?
ticket.
Vibe?
Vibe check.
Check. How do you do that? Anong ibig
Pero
sabihin?
nag-meet kami once
Sa bahay
before
ko.
Siargao.
Just to find out if you
If
Kamusta yung...
actually...
vibe check natin.
Correct,
Yan,
oo.
Check mo kung click
Alam mo,
kayo.
mga artista, meron mong ginagawa din na ganun, similar to that. I'm not talking about chemistry check, but napakinggan ko isang interview sa London, meron silang ganun.
Well, relationship work. Yes, we do that for like taping
parang-
talaga for projects. But we kind of did it for real life. You know? Like,
Ganda.
Para ganun.
Para makita namin, syempre nasa Siargao na kami.
No, but that's very important. Actually, to find out kung meron talagang
Kailangan.
Kung click eh.
professional spark, halimbawa, di ba? I remember the last time you were here, at sinabi mo ang pinakamagandang babaeng artista dito sa GMA7.
Nakita ko yun.
Ay, si Mikey. Nakita mo yun, si Mikey?
Totoo yun.
Nakita ko yun. Dami rin
Anong reaction
nagsasabi.
mo? Anong reaction mo, Mikey?
Ang awkward, di ko alam paano mag-react sa totoo lang.
Hindi kasi sa school namin, popular na si Mikey eh. Mahaba. Hanggang ngayon naalala ko pa rin yung mukha niya. Mahaba yung buhok niya. Kulot-kulot pa si Mikey nun eh. Tapos, mistisa. Sabi ko, ang ganda naman niya.
Di ba
Popular
pabebe lang
siya.
dito, boy? Dami nagkaka-crush sa kanya nung high
Pero
school.
totoo,
pareho
sa
naman.
kanya din naman.
At saka iba yung tipo niyo, no? Parang, maganda. Basta yun lamang.
Thank you,
You know,
thank
some people say that, tell me who your friends are, and I'll tell you who you are. I know too early to ask, but Mikey, sino ka dahil kay Heaven and vice versa?
Honestly, mas tumatapang ako dahil sa Talaga? Kasi ngayon lang ako nakamit ng mas matapang sa akin. Nakakatakot. Pero nakaka-excite at the same
Correct.
time.
Ikaw, Heaven.
Si Mikey kasi, kami, yung relationship namin, sobrang iba namin actually. Kahit ngayon sa pananamit namin, we're very opposite, diba? So parang she's my yin to my yang. Kumbaga, ako kasi sometimes, pag meron akong mga emotions, I like to process it logically. While
She jumps.
siya naman, yes, she jumps. Talagang siya head on. Kasi the best way to go,
Best way out is through.
the best way out is through.
Yun ang
And
motto
so,
ko eh.
may times na
Parang,
kunyari.
tara na, iiyak ko din naman. Game na. Ramdamin ko na yung pain. Like,
So, we kind of help each other. Parang may mga times na, Mikes, kailangan, nalulunod ako sa emosyon ko.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, siya yung
I get it.
magsasabi na,
Yeah.
okay lang, magpalunod ka. Or pag siya naman sobrang
lunod
nalulunod
na
naman
lunod
siya.
dito. Isang tawag sa kanya. 10 minutes, mag-end yung call, tumatawa ako.
Okay.
Like, kaya niya akong alisin dun
Pero
sa
walang
lunod.
disagreement when you were in Hawaii and you did the skydiving.
Wala. Oo, siya sa
Talagang
lahat.
pareho kayo.
Yes!
Pero alam niyo, ganito, I tried that once. Hindi ako natuloy. You know, no, really. Because, I'll be very blunt. What if something goes wrong? Mamamatay ba ako? May ganong concept.
You don't think
You
about
don't?
that, Tito.
Hindi mo iniisip? Hindi mo iniisip? That's 18,000 feet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow!
Well, ako 14, siya 18.
14, 18.
Dinagdagan ko last minute.
So how do you do that? Talagang, wala ka talagang iisipin dapat.
Wala dito.
Oh my God.
Full trust. Kasi syempre, professional naman yung
Correcto.
kasama mo. So,
At sa inyong dalawa pa, nagkasabay pa, na pareho kayong mga pinagdaan ng breakup last year.
well, yeah.
Did it somehow strengthen that friendship?
Feeling ko
Yes.
nakatulong, oo.
Yes, kasi I feel like, so akala natin may stages of healing, diba? Dapat may, you
Yung
go
mga
through may linear
ano
siya
yung stages nga uli?
Diba?
Denial, anger, bargaining,
Yeah.
And
and
then,
depression, may mga
Mga
ganun.
mga
acceptance.
ganyan siya.
Pinagdaanan niyo yun?
Pero ganito na nga.
ito nga, nung
Dahil-
Hawaii, we were talking about
Yes,
it.
and we realized na ang healing, it's not linear. It's messy.
Tama.
Tito, as in,
Agree,
we go
agree.
through all of it.
Yes.
Pero kami ni Heaven, magkaiba ng sunod-sunod.
So that's why nagtutulungan kami. Kunyari ako, napagdaanan ko na. Tutulong ko sa kanya.
No, it's not like kasi, andito na ako sa anger, andito na ako sa depression.
No, but-
Kaya tama, it's not linear.
Yeah.
Habang nagkikwentuhan kami, tapos na ako dyan. Ito yung na-feel ko nung nandyan ako. Tapos siya din, parang, ate, nung dyan ako, ito ginawa ko dyan.
Oo.
So parang we help each other.
Yes.
Tama.
Iba yung...
It's messy, you know?
Yeah,
One
it
day
is.
you're okay, one day you're
It
not.
is chaotic, it is messy, pero ang ending nun, malinis.
Acceptance.
Pero kumusta kayo ng mga exes nyo? How are you and Paul Salas?
Galing mo talaga, Tito Boy! Galing!
Ayaw mo na!
No, because Paul was here and very
Yeah.
respectful.
Yeah,
you
last
know?
night nanood din ako nung game. So
Yeah.
nakita ko din siya doon. We're good. I think I watched his latest interview
That's
sa'yo.
right. Oo.
And he mentioned I saw na we were able to talk nung bachelors ni Mikoy.
Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
yes.
Oo.
We talked. Okay naman. I'm not gonna deny, it was still painful.
Of course.
Kahit masakit pa rin, pero yung usap namin na to compared to our breakup last year is so much better. Like, I
That's
found
good.
myself saying to him dito sa usap na to na parang ito yung gusto kong usap last year.
Right.
Sabi ko sa kanya nun, ito yung kailangan kong closure last year. At akala ko nga di ko na makukuha, but at least nakuha ko pa rin.
And the good thing is you are in a better place than where you were
Yes.
before.
So
diba?
I think kaya din mas okay yung usap namin.
Kami naman ni Marco Galo at saka napakagandang heaven na. Naalala mo, our last conversation was inside a jeep.
Yes.
Doon pa tayo nagkukwento.
Yes, tayo
Naalala
tatlo.
mo?
Yes.
Oo. We
But then,
did a
parang-
conversation.
Okay.
Talaga, hindi pa sayarong jeep, ha? And they were happy times. Only yung kaya mong sabihin. What happened? You know where I'm coming from, ha, Heaven? You know why? I saw you. The both of you.
Yes.
Di ba?
But it was a beautiful love.
It was.
It was. And come to think about it, I realized din, siguro dahil sa Hawaii trip natin, I realized na hindi naman lahat ng tao is meant to stay forever in your life. And sometimes, dapat nandun lang siya sa season na yon ng storya ng buhay mo, kumbaga.
But at a certain point, you were hoping that that was forever.
Ako kasi date to marry ako eh.
Oh,
So maybe nagkaroon ng miscom.
right.
But then again,
Or maybe you were not meant.
or maybe again, hanggang ganun lang talaga. And that's fine.
Was that a messy, I mean, to use the word, was that a messy breakup?
May breakup bang maayos?
I agree. Merong
Right.
tahimik, merong, pero karamihan, kadalasan, painful.
It will always be painful.
It will
Lahat
always.
naman ng breakup.
But do you have, are you angry?
Dati, yes.
Dati.
I would, I
We
would...
go through it talaga.
Yeah, we go
It's
through
part
it.
of the steps.
Pala, diba?
Tama.
Because you have these expectations eh. But then again, matanda na tayo, Tito Boy.
Tama.
You know, we accept na everyone has flaws. Ako rin naman, and siya rin. And maybe hanggang doon na lang kami. And it's fine. Kasi at some point, minahal namin yung isa't isa the best that we can.
Right. Oh.
So yun.
No, ako lang, sabi ko, I was there. I saw them.
Nakita niya.
You know, not once, I mean, a couple of times, na parang, I was just so happy for the both of you. And you grew up together.
Yes, we did.
Diba? And I saw that joy. I
Yes.
saw that joy together. Parang,
Yes. And I realized also, sabi ko, was I lost after the breakup?
were you?
Was I? And then I realized, you never get lost. You actually rediscover yourself to who you are now and who you want to be.
Ganda.
Na-realize ko din yan sa
Right.
Hawaii, na parang along the way, parang looking back,
Oo.
I wasn't just grieving us, like the relationship. I also grieved a version of myself. Like, yung may
Tama.
na yun na was with Paul,
Yes.
and I don't think I can go back to her. Like, I love who I am now.
Oh,
But,
oo,
yeah.
tama. Kasi somehow, you also realize that I was a partner to that relationship.
Yes.
You know, he was not a standalone character.
Yeah.
Ang ganda nung skydiving siguro.
Sarap din.
Diba? Somehow you realize.
Yes.
Pero wait, ano ba itong singles pact na ito na pinag-uusapan? What is it? I love that line. There was a quote there that said, they must love us.
As much as we love
As much as
ourselves.
we love ourselves.
Alam mo, true story doon dito. Si makeup artist, si Marvin.
Si Marvin na naman.
si
Okay.
Marvin. Sabi
Si
ko sa
Marvin
kanya,
talaga dito.
a good
principal
character sa friendship na to.
Okay.
Isang beses nini-makeupan niya ako, sabi ko sa kanya, bakit single ka pa rin? Ilang taon na? Ba't walang natutuloy sa mga dinidate mo? Tapos, seryosong sagot lang sabi niya, kasi hindi nila ako, walang nakakapantay ng pagmamahal ko sa sarili ko.
This is Marvin talking.
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos nag-stick sa akin yun. Tinranslate ko lang sa English.
Tapos sabi niya,
Sabi ko, sakto sa pinagdadaanan.
tapos sabi niya, sis, okay ba?
Sabi ni Heaven, pagbasa niya, okay, pasok. Yes, let's go. Kailangan na namin.
So ngayon, ang estado ng inyong buhay, kayo ba'y nag-aantay? Kayo ba'y naghahanap?
We're just
I mean,
happy. We're happy.
Empowered women. I mean, you know, you're just
Yeah.
happy. But you're not looking for
Not looking
any.
for it. But if it comes, very welcome.
A man wouldn't complete us,
Oo
right?
naman. Pero
I'm sorry,
hindi
ulit.
A
kailangan.
man would never complete me.
That's
Or
right.
us.
Tama naman.
Hindi
Because you come into a relationship buo.
Exactly.
Tama.
Hindi
And-
perfecto, pero buo.
Hindi.
Late lang
perfect,
natutunan,
buo.
but-
Let's do fast talk. Mikey! Diwata, mandirigma.
Diwata!
Sweet love, intense love.
Sweet.
Loyal friend, honest friend.
Honest.
Ex as a friend or ex as a stranger.
Stranger.
Forgive, forget.
Forgive.
Yes or no? Konsentidor na kaibigan.
No.
Yes or no? Makikipagbalikan sa ex.
No.
Yes or no? May dinidate ngayon.
No.
Heaven or earth.
Heaven on earth.
Beautiful face or sexy body.
Pwede pang both.
Pwede. Forgive or acceptance.
Forgive.
Makapal na kilay, makapalay ng mukha.
Makapal na mukha.
Yes or no? Pasaway na kaibigan.
Yes.
Yes or no? Pinormahan ng taken.
Lagi
Lagi.
naman.
Yes or no?
Man, I hate men.
May dinidate ngayon. Both. Mas, para sa inyo, mas mabilis ma-fall. Mas mabilis malasing. Mas magaling magbigay ng love advice.
Both.
Mas clingy.
Wala.
Wala.
Mas iyakin. Mas lapitin.
Wow!
Mas magastos.
Yes! Ito.
Mas maganda.
Wow! Galing!
Is that
We
lights
never
on or lights
compete.
off?
Ton?
Ako, off muna, wala pa.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates right now.
Sana may happy.
Best time for chocolates and happiness.
Anytime talaga eh.
Anytime talaga.
Sige, let's do this. Message to your future partner. What is it? He's there. Sige nga. Who goes first?
Tingin na lang.
Ikaw, Heaven.
I guess my message would be, I hope you're the one.
Wow. And he will be the one. Say it and it happens, sabi ko. Alam mo itong nakakatuwa, na when you had that breakup kay Paul, there were speculations na, ay, ang third party, si Heaven.
I saw that,
Diba?
yeah.
You saw that. And then, meron din mga nagsasuggest na, baka naman ang magkatuluyan itong dalawang ito. Diba? I also read that. Na parang, I have a wrong understanding of the Pinky Swear or something. Marami pang mga comments. Ito ang tanong, diretsa. Mikey, Heaven, are you in a romantic relationship? Yes or no ang sagot. Sa magbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abuelo. We're back in the show. Good news dahil may original soundtrack na po ang afternoon musical teleserye na Born to Shine. Simula bukas, mapapakinggan niyo po ito sa Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and other digital music stores worldwide. That's Born to Shine. Maraming salamat. Sangre.
Yes! Huling linggo na po ang sangre! Maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta. At subaybayan niyo po kasi last week na to at may mga pasabog pa tayo. Meron big surprise kay Lira. Kaya abangan niyo po anong
Abangan
mangyayari
natin
sa
yan.
kwento niya.
Okay, that sangre po, huwag natin kalimutan. Encantadia Chronicles. You know, I'm looking forward that you guys do a serie or what?
Sana.
A movie
Hello,
together,
movie.
di ba?
Yeme, baka naman. Viva, let's go!
Nakaka-excite. And if you were to do a material, anong naiisip nyo? Sarap siguro, no?
Tito, may binitin kang tanong kanina. Eh, di bigay na
Huwag
natin sa
muna
kanila
natin.
yun.
Mamaya na yung bitin na tanong. Kasi, no, but what material would you do?
I think something that would be
Something
fun.
like that?
Yeah.
Why not?
Brave, no?
That would be fun.
Daring.
And if I'm gonna do it, kay Heaven na. Like, sa kanya ako comfy. Friend ko.
Galing.
Oo. At saka alam kong actress.
Right.
Alam kong...
But do you guys talk about, you know, about your process, about your profession? Nag-uusap kayo?
Sa Hawaii.
Oo, yes, yes.
Nagkaroon. First time sa Hawaii.
Pareho kayo ng proseso?
No.
Hindi. Hindi.
Talaga?
No.
Magkaiba.
Ikaw ay
Mas instinctive.
Oh, mas backstory ka.
Inaaral ko.
Mas method.
Mas method
Sa
ako.
guys, ano ang pagkakaiba nyo?
Lahat, magkaiba kaming type.
Actually.
Talaga? Anong
Buti
type
nga
mo?
eh.
Actually, iba talaga.
Oo.
Oo, totoo.
Like?
Hindi namin walang specific. Ako ay walang
Basta magkaiba lang.
Pero kunyari, okay, one instance, sige, may maglalapit, may magpapakilala.
Sa kanya
Tapos,
cute.
we're gonna,
Yeah.
paglagpas or aalis na, bet mo, tapos pag sasabihin kong hindi, sasabihin niya,
Bet ko
pero
siya."
cute. Tapos,
Oo,
kapag
baliktad.
sa kanya lalapit, tapos di niya bet, ako naman yung may type. Parang, galing no, Tito.
Galing.
Bigayan,
Oo.
bigayan.
Kayo'y pinagtagpo. But you're the type of friends, halimbawa, na pag dumating ang panahon na may boyfriend ang isa at pag ayaw mo, you will say it.
May respect ako enough sa kanya na
Oo.
alam kong...
To give it, no?
Oo.
Ako
Right.
naman, yeah.
Bigay ko sa'yo yung choice na yun.
Right. Ikaw,
Pero
Heaven.
mas sa acting. Like, sige, go.
Sa acting o sa
No,
relationship?
in real life. I mean, you know.
In real life?
Oo.
I mean, I would say na ito yung flaws. Or maybe, ito yung mga hindi ko gusto sa kapartner mo. In time. But, alam mo, kahit ano pa yan, susuportahan kita.
Yun nga yung
tama.
pansin ko
Andun
sa
ako
kanya
sa
eh.
likod mo.
Oo. Like, magsasabi siya, pero titingin siya sa akin. Tapos kung anong sagot ko, susupport siya.
Tama naman, oo. Saan pa kayo magkaiba at magkapareho?
What I like lang about her, kasi ako unang nag-express na parang sa Hawaii, sana maka-work tayo. Sabi ko, sana mag-work tayo eventually. Sabi ko, gusto ko itang makita magtrabaho sa set.
At
Paano
what
ka?
energy? Ngayon nga lang na nag-uusap-usap tayo.
Tumahimik dito, hindi sumagot.
Dahil?
Parang gumanon muna. Tapos nagkwento about something sa set. Tapos sabi niya, te, ganito ako mag-work ganito ako mag-work. Parang seryoso, parang makikipagbiroan tayo, sige, pero pag take tayo, professional tayo, ganyan.
I don't play
Tapos
it.
nasabi ko sa kanya, huy, ganyan din ako mag-work ha.
Akala mo?
Ganyan din ako. Like, maayos din ako, mapagbiro ako, mapagduro ako. Hindi lang ako mukhang professional, pero professional ako ha.
Yan ang gusto ko malaman.
Oo,
Talaga
di
ba?
Tapos nung na-reassure ko siya, nung nakapagkwento ko, sabi niya, okay, sige, pwede tayo mag-work. Sabi niya, pwede tayo mag-work.
Okay, let's go to the
together.
question. Are you in a romance? Are you in a romantic relationship? Yes or no?
Wala talaga. Hindi talaga, di ba halata? Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Hindi
Oo.
po.
Oo. No, sometimes you just have to say yes or no. No. Oo. I mean, pero naitatanong, kaya sinasagot ho natin. But thank you, girls.
Thank you,
Salamat.
Tito.
I always enjoy, whether you're alone or together, mabuhay kayong dalawa, that energy, that has to be done into a movie or a series.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
It's fun.
Yeah, thank you. Mikey and Heaven. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsama sa amin. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and, you know, say the truth, be Juan Tama, and goodbye for now, and God bless.